Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make soup bowl cozies, only way. Gather fabric, batting, scissors, needle, and thread before you begin. Start by washing and pressing your fabric so seams lay flat and fit remains consistent. Measure your bowl and cut 2 fabric circles and 1 batting circle to match. I will walk you through sewing, turning, top stitching, and finishing tips that make the cozy both practical. Measure your bowl carefully so the cozy fits snug but still slides on easily, and add 1 inch for seams. Lay your fabric wrong sides together and sandwich the batting between them before pinning. Stitch around the edge with a 1-2 inch seam allowance, leaving a 2 to 3 inch turning gap. Trim curves, clip notches where needed, and prepare to turn the cozy right side out for finishing and top stitching. After stitching, carefully turn your cozy right side out through the opening and use a blunt tool to push fabric smooth at the seams. Press the cozy flat and fold the raw edges of the opening inward before pinning. Top stitch around the entire edge to close the gap and add strength, then optionally add decorative quilting lines or a loop for storage. These steps make the cozy durable and visually polished for everyday use.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.